Lequita Brooks here. You are stressed because you don't want to make any decisions. Life is about decisions. So I need you to, look at it through the mindset. This is what I tell my therapy and coaching clients. Every problem has a solution, and I don't care how complex the problem is. I don't care. Every problem has a solution. Now, sometimes it's a more complex problem, and you might need some support because you don't know all the steps to take. But either way, every problem has a solution, and you have to make a decision. This is the way I look at life. It's two categories. Either something is serving me or it's taking away from me. And I believe in living in the serving part, which means that it's adding value to my life. So if it's not adding value, it's taken away. So you need to make some decisions and connect with things that's only adding value to you. I'm Lequita Brooks. Go to nomorestressing.com.